Hey there, I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to showcase you the framework I've been working on. It's called functional because all of our requests, all of the responses will be altered using a function that is corresponding to the user's desires. So, what are the features in this application? First of all, the middleware. It is a different system. The middleware is simply an array. The middleware of each directory will be stored in an array like this. And then they would validate it through, each for middleware would validate itself. That's the concept we're trying to push. Each middleware would validate itself before moving on to the next middleware. It's similar to Next, but it's more automated, let's say. Alright. Next one. Common redirection features. Similar to, I believe, a lot of frameworks out there. It is very common for you to see these kind of template, these kind of syntax, right? If you play a lot, if you have experience on some or a lot of experience on middlewares, you see this something like this a lot. It is inevitable, but let's get to the distinction. The framework have the ability to set cookies. Yes, set cookies. No plugins required. It's already provided. It also has a very neat dependency manager if you want to see. I'll show you right in a second as we wait. Now what is the dependency manager? The dependency manager is a command prompt application that allows you to handle your dependencies. Let's go activate the dependency manager. Now upon running, it would yield an error at first because the dependency manager requires you to have arguments that would specify what you want. Now this dependency manager is very similar to SQL to an extent. Why? Because the SQL uses human-based syntax. They are readable. Let's say I want to view dependency. Let's say I want to view the JavaScript dependency. Voila. It's SQL, it's human syntax. However, the data is actually not stored like an SQL. Let's see other dependencies. That means the dependency is missing. No, I mistyped. No, don't worry. Alright, we should be able. Okay, there we go. Now look at this. Is essentially, what is this? Okay, the framework uses a dependency system that allows you to modify what content you're delivering without coding. Believe me? Just believe. Alright. We can even delete dependencies like this. Delete dependency. Let's say I want to delete an XML dependency. I typed out again. There we go. Let's say I want to delete this dependency. Well, just delete it, and it will not be compiled on the server. As simple as that. The point is to deliver quickly as possible. You can even install plugins. You can even install something like, let's say I want to use app cache. Let's see, the app cache is not here yet, it's undefined. Let's see if we want to create a new dependency. And then we add a new directory. You don't have to follow these kind of formattings, don't worry. You can just make sure that the file actually what the user needs to worry about is that the file exists. If we view the dependency app cache, it should be there. We go. As easy as that. And the server, when you run it, will load these dependencies automatically, so that you don't need to add extra redirections to it. And that's pretty much the features. Concludes the video for now. Thank you for watching, and please consider checking my GitHub. I'll see you all soon.